In this video, I'll show you how to create a Binance wallet. First, open the Binance app on your phone or go to the official Binance website. If you are new to Binance, tap Sign Up or Register to create an account. You can usually register using your email address, phone number, Apple account, or Google account. Enter your details, create a strong password, and agree to the terms if you want to continue. After that, Binance may send you a verification code by email or SMS. Enter the code on the screen to confirm your registration. Once your Binance account is created, Binance automatically gives you access to different wallet sections inside your account. These may include Spot Wallet, Funding Wallet, Earn Wallet, and other wallet types depending on the services available in your region. To find your Binance wallet, open the app and tap Wallets at the bottom right corner. On the website, move your cursor to Wallet from the main menu. This is where you can view your balances, deposit crypto, withdraw funds, transfer between wallets, and check your transaction history. If you want to receive crypto, open your Spot wallet, tap Deposit, then choose the cryptocurrency you want to receive. For example, you can select Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT. Binance will then ask you to choose the correct network. Make sure the sender uses the same network because using the wrong network can cause your funds to be lost. After selecting the coin and network, Binance will show your deposit address. You can copy this address or scan the QR code. This address is your receiving wallet address for that specific cryptocurrency and network. If you want to create a separate Web3 wallet inside Binance, go to Wallets, then look for Web3 or Web3 wallet. Tap Create Wallet and follow the instructions. Binance may ask you to set up security protection, such as a recovery password or backup method. Before using your wallet, make sure your account is secure. Enable two-factor authentication, protect your email, and never share verification codes, passwords, or wallet recovery details with anyone. And that's how you create a Binance wallet. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.